Welcome to Bachpan Ki Pathshala, where learning is fun.
Hi kids, welcome to the food world. Today we are going to meet two food teams, Team Good Food and Team Junk Food.
Let's see who helps our body more. Say hello to Team Good Food. They are full of vitamins, minerals, and energy. They help you grow tall, run fast, and stay strong.
I'm Apple. I keep you healthy and strong. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
I am Broccoli. I give you vitamins and fiber. I'm a green superhero.
Hi, I'm Banana. I give you instant energy to play, jump, and run fast.
I'm Egg. I help you grow tall and build muscles like a superhero. I'm Carrot. I help you see better. My vitamins are great for your eyes.
Oh, I am Lentils. I give you protein for strong muscles.
Hello, I'm Rice. I give you energy to study, play, and stay active all day.
Hey kids, I'm Spinach. I'm full of iron. I keep your blood healthy and make you strong like Popeye. Hey.
I'm Orange. I'm full of vitamin C. I help you fight off colds and stay fit.
We're nuts. We give you good fats and energy to keep your brain sharp and body strong.
I'm Garlic. I may be small, but I help you stay healthy and fight germs.
I'm Potato. I give you carbohydrates for energy, but remember, don't fry me too much.
We're Grapes. We're full of antioxidants. We keep your skin glowing and heart happy. I'm Strawberry. I make you strong and keep your tummy happy. I'm Honey. I'm sweet and natural, better than sugar.
Wow! Team Good Food has so many healthy heroes. They give you strength, energy, vitamins, and happiness. Let's clap for our super team, Team Good Food. Here comes Team Junk Food. They may look yummy, but are they really healthy?
Hey kids, I'm Burger. I taste awesome, but I bring extra oil and fat. I'm Candy. I'm sweet, but too much sugar can hurt your teeth.
I'm Fizzy, but I make you tired and thirsty again.
I'm pizza. I look yummy with all that cheese, but too much of me gives you extra fat and makes you sleepy.
Junk food looks cool, but they can make you lazy and unhealthy if you eat them too often. Let's have a healthy body challenge. Which team helps kids grow stronger, smarter, and happier? Team Good Food. They give strength, energy, and shiny smiles. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.